What if the hardest job in the world could finally get easier? What if your Sunday nights weren't stolen by lesson plans, but spent breathing, laughing, living again? Teaching was never supposed to break you. Maybe, just maybe, it doesn't have to. Let me show you a future where education feels lighter, where AI doesn't replace the teacher, it revives them. In a world flooded with noise and deadlines, teachers have become unsung warriors. Lesson plans clutched in one hand, papers to grade in the other, hearts worn thin from carrying entire generations forward. But something is changing. A quiet revolution is humming in the background. Not cold, not robotic, but gentle, helpful, intuitive, artificial intelligence. Not as an enemy, but as an ally. And today I want to take you on a journey to show you how AI can actually make teaching easier. Not abstract theories, real tools, real stories, real relief. Let's start with the monster we all know, slide creation, slides that build themselves, Gamma. You sit at your desk, eyes bleary, trying to turn knowledge into beauty, but it never quite feels right, does it? Enter Gamma, a whisper of a prompt, and out flows a presentation so elegant, so clear, you'd swear it was made by your future self. No more formatting nightmares, no more dragging boxes, resizing fonts. Gamma handles the structure, you bring the soul. It's like having a co-teacher in your pocket. One who understands design, pedagogy, and time limits. For once, your ideas get to shine, without you burning out in the process. Games that spark curiosity, Wordwall. Now picture this, a math problem disguised as a treasure hunt, a grammar quiz hiding inside a race car game, and students, yes, even the distracted ones, leaning in. Wordwall isn't just a game generator, it's a bridge between content and engagement. In 3 clicks, you can turn any topic into a playful challenge. Matching, sorting, spinning, racing. Better yet, they beg for more. Because play isn't a distraction, it's the oldest form of learning. And finally, technology caught up to that truth. When 3D brings the world alive, mosaic 3D. Diagrams are fine, until you've seen a heartbeat in front of you, or a tornado swirl in 3D across your screen. That's the magic of mosaic 3D. Biology, physics, history. All rendered in breathtaking animations, rotatable, touchable, understandable. It's no longer about memorizing facts, it's about witnessing them. Even the quietest student suddenly whispers, "Wow." And for that one moment, you remember why you chose this life, because that wow is where education truly begins. One-click classrooms are AI-powered plans. Imagine walking into your classroom and everything's ready. Slides, check. Group activity, ready. Worksheets, done. Exit ticket, already generated. That's not a dream anymore. Platforms like Edmodo, Curipod, and Book Widgets now offer full lesson plans with just a few clicks. No prep, no printing, just presenting and connecting. Because teaching should be about presence, not pressure. With AI, you can reclaim your time and your joy. Students who learn alone together. Some students race ahead, others fall behind. But what if each one could go at their own pace? Khanmigo, Quizzes, Socratic by Google. These tools adapt, evolve, and personalize. Students log in and dive deep. They ask questions, they get feedback in real time, and they learn how to learn. Which really is the greatest lesson of all. It's not just independent study, it's self-discovery. You're still their guide, but now they're explorers too. Robotics, teaching teamwork and imagination. Let's step into something even more magical, Robotica Educational. Picture your students building robots, solving challenges, working in teams, failing, debugging, trying again. This isn't just coding, it's logic, it's grit, it's collaboration. With kits like Lego Spike, Arduino, or Microbit, kids become creators, not just consumers. And when that little bot starts moving, oh, the pride in their eyes. You didn't just teach science, you taught belief. Can AI replace the teacher? Never. Now, let's address the shadow in the room. Will AI take our jobs? Because AI doesn't have a heartbeat. It doesn't notice the tear in a student's eye. It doesn't adapt a lesson because the room feels heavy. It can't see wonder or hear silence. AI is not the teacher. You are. It's the tool. You are the artist. And together, you're unstoppable. You became a teacher to change lives, to light fires, to guide. But no one told you how heavy the load would be. So let AI help carry it. Let Gamma build your slides. Let Wordwall bring joy. Let Mosaic 3D make science dance. Let lesson plans click into place. Let your students grow through play, logic, and light. Teaching will always be hard, but it doesn't have to be lonely. You've got help now. You've got hope. And this is only the beginning. If this video gave you a breath of inspiration, click the like button and subscribe. There's another video waiting for you right now on the screen, and I promise it's worth your time. Until then, keep teaching, keep shining. You're not alone anymore.